We're fundamentally a plastics manufacturing company. We've pretty much got every type of job and job discipline you can possibly think of. Right from the very start, which is sort of product development, product design, through to engineering, manufacturing, logistics, HR, like IT, accounts, finance, through to customer services. So in terms of career opportunities, Marshall-Tufflex is a great place because there's so many different types of job roles here.
My name is Kathleen Silva and I'm the Environmental Quality and R&D Manager at Marshall-Tufflex. My biggest accomplishment has been building my team. We enjoy every project we created by redesigning products or researching by new materials or reviewing processes.
I'm Bruce. I'm a R&D engineer and I work for the Quality and Research Department. We basically design and test new products. I've enjoyed my time here and all 17 years of it.
My name's Terry Adams. I'm Technical Services Manager here. Been with the company for 9 years. I always knew Marshall-Tufflex because I have an electrical background. I always knew they were a top quality cable management company.
My name is Dan Wannon. I'm the Operations Manager at Marshall-Tufflex. I've been with the business since early in 2024, and my responsibilities are to manage the tool room, production and maintenance departments. What really attracted me to come to work at Marshall-Tufflex was it's a really strong brand with a really forward-thinking mentality toward both investment in new machinery and sustainability.
My name is Patience. I've been at Marshall-Tufflex for over 3 years and I work in the HR team as the HR assistant. So I've thoroughly enjoyed my time at Marshall-Tufflex. I've had the opportunity to study 2 HR qualifications that I've achieved, and this has allowed me to progress from HR admin, where I started, to now HR assistant, where I have a wider scope of supporting employees and also guiding managers, which I really enjoy.
We look after our people. Our staff receive 33 days of annual leave, including bank holidays, your birthday off, company bonus scheme, long service bonus awards, financial grants, access to a local financial advisor, a solid pension plan matching contributions up to an outstanding 10%, and working in a supportive environment where growth is at the forefront of what we do.